So what we have behind the prop is just another simple pneumatic setup. As you can see here, it's just with a bungee and a cord. So when it's actuated, it pushes forward and a small bungee brings it back. So I only need a one-way solenoid valve. I don't need a two-way, which can be a little more expensive, so a one-way should work. And some bungees to adjust so that she can go forward and backwards properly. And again, showing you with the remote, this is what it looks like. I'm showing you how it's set up. I have the remote. It's wired to the pneumatic. And I also have it going to another trigger light. And this is also going to another strobe. The air line comes in, and again we have the solenoid that switches it off and on. So with this control, we can basically turn the switch off and I'll show you what the prop looks like. So here we have the prop. I'm going to show you what it's connected to. What we have is a doll, and it works the same way as our other prop with the trigger.